Champ, show me how you like are drunk. Oh, look, you're walking. Hi, Jasper. Hi, Champ. Oh, here we go. No, don't eat him. Don't eat him. Get down. Get down. Don't eat me. Stop. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Sit. Don't eat me. No, that's not nice. Don't eat the cat. Don't eat the cat. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat the cat. Stop. Will you stop? Stop. You can't do that. That's not nice. That's not nice. I'm just going to pet you. Do you need to eat food? Okay, let's watch how fast you can eat your food. Okay, here's the food. There's a lot in there. I'm going to bring it over here. Ta-da, look what I got. Oh, cheese. Here we go. The time is officially 12:44. See? Hi, Jasper. Oh, hello, kitty. I know. And I think it's gone. Okay. The time is now 12:45. Was that good? Do you want to go outside? Oh, really? I can't touch you because you would make me sneeze. So get away from me. Wow. Good job. Come on. Do you want some water? You want to go pee-pee? Ring the bell if you have to go. Ring the bell. And